Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this Oscillococcyllum, if I pronounced that correctly, and what it looks like, because I'll just tell you right now, it looked like sand. When we first opened it up, I was like, this must be expired. There must be something wrong with this. There's absolutely no way this is what it's supposed to look like, but I assure you it is not expired. So I'm gonna change the camera here in a little bit, but I wanna let you know, if you live a healthy lifestyle and you're like, how did I get these flu symptoms? It's all subjective. Just full disclosure, this is not medical advice, but just from personal use, as a family that lives a healthy lifestyle, pretty, you know, knock on wood, a very healthy lifestyle that we normally don't get sick. And so the old wifey was like, we got to try this stuff out. I heard this is a game changer. Sure as you know what, one and done. The kids and those in the family that weren't feeling so good, it was like, what is going on? All of a sudden they started getting better, much better, much faster than without this stuff. So I don't know what's in it. I really don't understand. It doesn't really matter to me, because if it makes you feel better after and speeds the whole healing process up, that's a cool thing. And so I wanted to share. Again, full disclosure, this is totally subjective. Everybody's different, but just our personal experience. Check this out. So it comes in these little tubes like this. They're single-use tubes, and it looks like white sand. I mean, look at that. That is really bizarre. And what these do, they basically just dissolve in your mouth and release the good stuff that's supposed to do what it's supposed to do. So if you're looking for something, you just haven't had any luck, and you're want to try something different, heard about this and want to give it a shot, just a personal testimonial. This did exactly what it advertised. It said it was going to do for our family. Hope this finds you well, of course, and we'll talk to you soon.